Where's the cop car gone? Oh, he's on the side. Is it just all four-wheel drive? Oh no, the car's behind. The car's going to try and get up behind us, aren't they? This is like deja vu, isn't it?
Yeah.
Especially because the last time we had a truck coming towards us as well, do you remember?
Oh, it's really deep last time.
Yeah, it was. Oh.
You don't want to answer the phone. This guy who called you is nuts. You don't want to face him alone. He's crazed. Now don't you answer the phone.
Is it still filming?
This one who's calling you's nuts. He's crazed. Demented.
Oh, annoying. Go back to what I did now, John. I know, where are we going next?
Oh, I was thinking about coffee at the shop or something about it's just I guess it depends how much it rains.
Actually, Gavin should think about coming home again, shouldn't he?
We can get home that way, can't we? Always.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, hang on, there was one time we went through and, because remember that time we ran Gavin?